Alright, so based on what they say the definition of h of n is, as the product of all even integers, h of 100 would start with 2 times 4 times 6 times 8, all the way up to 100. And what I'm trying to figure out is, if p is the smallest prime factor of h of 100 plus 1, then p is what? And they give you ranges for your answer. So if for p to be a prime factor, it would have to go into h 100 plus 1. So let's look at what? Let's mess with h of 100. H of 100, let's factor a 2 out of every number. And if I factor a 2 out of every number, how many 2's would that be? Take a 2 out here, or here, or here, or here. You know, how many numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, all the way up to 100. There's 50 of them. So if I factor a 2 out of each one, I'd have a 2 to the 50. And I factor a 2 out of each one. 2 will go into 2 one time. 2 will go into 4 twice. 3, 4, all the way up to 50. See that? So let's look at h of 100 plus 1. Well, that's 2 to the 50th times 1 times 2 times 3, all the way up to 50, plus 1. And think about dividing that by p. Now it says that p is the smallest prime factor. Well, I'm going to continue working down here. Your prime factors are 2, 3, 7, 11, and they're inside here. But once you calculate this number, of course these prime factors go up to 50, I guess 47 would be your largest one. Once you calculate this number and add 1 to it, it's all changed. So the smallest prime factor has got to be greater than 50. So if that's not one of my choices, it's got to be greater than 40. And that is E.